After battling extreme dry cold conditions for the last 1 month, finally relief as snowfall has started in various parts of the Kashmir Valley. Started with South Kashmir, where for the first time plains like Anantnag, Shopian, Kulgam, the plains of these districts experience seasons for snowfall. And similarly, heavy snowfall has also been reported in tourist destinations like Pahalgam and Gulmarg. But the biggest and the most important news of the day is snowfall in Srinagar, because Srinagar, as of today, was dry. It was going through a dry spell, and non-stop the night temperatures were touching -7, 8, 9 degrees. So that obviously meant extreme hardships for the locals, for the natives, because each day was a challenge. They had to battle these icy weather conditions. Water sources had absolutely frozen. You had Dal Lake that was frozen, small ponds, water pipelines, and daily people had to literally make fire and burn and use that fire to ensure that this freeze melts pipes, the ice inside those pipes melt so that they can have water supply. So that was just one angle, but other than that, so many things that the people had to fight this cold literally, because for many years Kashmir had not witnessed these kind of freezing temperatures. But now snowfall in Srinagar also, season's first snow spell, and this obviously has brought relief as far as Kashmir and Srinagar is concerned. If IMD is to be believed, snowfall activity is going to continue for another 12 to 18 hours, meaning that there could be snowfall across, widespread snow spell across Kashmir for the next 12 to 18 hours. So massive relief, though it could be short-lived, it could be for a few days, but nonetheless it was needed as far as people of the valley is concerned. But overall, if you talk of the tourism sector, they will be really happy, because this will act as a right advertisement for people who are planning holidays for or around the New Year. Those celebrations they can have in Kashmir, because it is expected to go all white by tomorrow morning. So first snowfall of the season in Srinagar, and big relief from dry cold conditions, as this weather is expected to continue for another 2 days, meaning that the temperatures are going to improve, settle around 0 degrees. But then this test against cold will continue once weather conditions improve, because IMD has predicted that once weather clears, extreme cold conditions, that is extreme minus temperatures, may again be felt across Kashmir through the first week of January.
यस यस पहली बार बर्फ़ देख रहे हैं, और पहली बार देखने में बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है। जितने भी लोग अभी घर बैठे हैं, कश्मीर घूमने का सबसे सही समय है अभी। अभी आ जाए तो स्नोफॉल बहुत बढ़िया देखने मिलेगी।
तो कहाँ कहाँ घूमने का इरादा है?
अभी हम लोग अभी गुलमर्ग वगैरह सब घूमा है, अभी पहलगाम घूमने का इरादा है, पहलगाम जाने वाले हैं। हाँ,
तो इससे पहले बर्फबारी देखी थी आपने?
नहीं ऐसा बर्फ़ स्नोफॉल नहीं देखा है, फर्स्ट स्नोफॉल है हमारे लिए।
तभी आपके लिए तो बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस।
बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस है। बहुत
क्या सुना था इससे पहले स्नो के बारे में, अभी कैसा लग रहा है?
सिर्फ सुना था और सिर्फ देखा था, आज महसूस कर रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है और ये बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस है जी।
वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम, राइट?
हाँ, वंस इन अ लाइफ
तो
टाइम।
आप बताइए।
हमने ऐसे सोचा नहीं था कि पहली बारिश में हम यहीं पे पहली बार होंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोल रहे थे कि ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है बारिश। इस वजह से बहुत ग्लैमरस एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है हमें, बहुत बड़ा। हाँ,
कैंपस Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.